In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card in Zoho Books. We'll walk through setting up a credit card account so you can track spending and reconcile it alongside your other financial accounts. This process is quick, and by the end, you'll have a clear, organized place in Zoho Books to record card transactions. Start by opening your browser and heading to books.zoho.com. Once you're in your Zoho Books organization, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Banking. This is your central hub for cash, bank, and card accounts. It's where you'll add new accounts and later review and reconcile transactions. At the top right of the banking page, click Add Bank or Credit Card. Zoho Books lets you either connect to a bank feed or set up an account manually. In this walkthrough, we're creating the account manually, which is helpful if you don't want a live bank connection or you plan to add transactions yourself. On the Add Bank or Credit Card Account Manually section, click Add Account. Next, select credit card as the account type. Choosing the correct type ensures your statements and reports treat this account properly as a liability, so balances and reconciliations make sense. You'll now see a form to enter your account details. Start with account name. Pick a clear, recognizable name you and your team will understand at a glance, such as a department or the card's purpose. For account code, use the code that aligns with your chart of accounts. If your organization follows a numbering convention, choose the next available code in your liability range. When in doubt, check your accounting policy so reports stay consistent. Set the currency to the currency in which the credit card is billed. This is important for accurate balances and exchange handling. For bank name, enter the card issuer so it's easy to identify later. In the description, add a brief note about the card's use or team, something like the last 4 digits or intended purpose. Avoid entering full card numbers or any sensitive details. A short identifier is plenty. Review your entries for accuracy. A minute here can save time during reconciliation. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new credit card account will appear under the Banking tab, ready for you to record expenses and reconcile statements. Because we added it manually, transactions won't import automatically unless you set up a bank feed later. For now, you can add or import transactions as your workflow requires and reconcile them against your monthly card statement. That's it. You've successfully added a credit card in Zoho Books, and your records will be cleaner and easier to manage moving forward.